At this point, DJI is a name that efficiently radiates intuitiveness, performance, and reliability in the drone market. With so many popular and successful releases that quickly became the gold standard in the community, it can get pretty complicated to choose between DJI's vast range of drones. With that in mind, we've come up with a list of the best DJI drones you should check out in 2023. So without further ado, let's begin. Make the sky your playground with the DJI Avata. Compact, super lightweight, and nimble, especially in enclosed spaces. The Avata from DJI is your go-to drone when speed, precision, and weight are your primary concerns. With that, it's obvious to think how the Avata would be pretty susceptible to damage. But here's the thing, the Avata has built-in propeller guards that guarantee your Avata literally bounces back from collision and keeps flying. The Avata comes equipped with a 1 and 1.7-inch CMOS sensor supporting 4K ultra-wide-angle recording with an f2.8 aperture, delivering visuals that are nothing less than breathtaking. And when you combine it with the Goggles 2 and motion controller from DJI, alongside approximately 18 minutes of flight time, with an intelligent flight battery, be prepared to brandish the title Aerial Superiority. When you're in the market looking for a DJI drone that can essentially do it all, look no further than the DJI Air 2S, the drone DJI often refers to as the all-in-one package. Coming in hot with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and powerful autonomous functions, all while possessing a super lightweight body that weighs less than 600 grams, making the DJI Air 2S an instant favorite of content creators who are always on the move. You should also shoot RAW format photos that come with a dynamic range of up to 12.6 stops, giving you more visual details in every single scene, regardless of the lighting conditions, in turn providing a lot more options in terms of post-processing to ensure your footage is precisely like the masterpiece you had inside your head. Alongside a solid 31 minutes of flight time from a single charge, you're getting access to master shots and focus track to easily and intuitively turn your adventures into Hollywood-inspired footage, making you the center of attention. When you're looking for a DJI drone with the portability stats maxed out, the Mattress 30 series is the one that you should be checking out, without a doubt. Debuting as the next-gen commercial drone, the M30T will provide a relatively powerful flight performance with environmental adaptability, making this drone handle challenging weather and temperature conditions with ease and finesse. You'll also be getting hexadirectional dual vision and TOF sensors that work in tandem with built-in ADS-B receivers that will keep you notified about incoming aircraft nearby. With 4 built-in antennas with full support for OcuSync 3 Enterprise, you'll get a triple-channel 1080p video feed regardless of environmental conditions. To top it all off, the M30T from DJI is one of their lightest and most compact drones that can also fold itself down to a miniature size in order to promote its effortless carrying, packing, and deploying operation while having a total flight time of up to 36 minutes. When you want a drone that prioritizes high-quality imaging above everything else, you should definitely consider taking a look at the DJI Mavic 3 Cine, which contains, among other things, a legendary level Hasselblad L2D 20C camera that's custom-made for the drone, with a professional-grade 4.3 CMOS sensor with 12.8 stops of dynamic range, f2.8 to f11 aperture, and 24mm focal length, cramped in a ridiculously compact space. Next-level image quality is right at your fingertips, not only in terms of pictures, but the Mavic 3 Cine captures up to 1 billion colors, with a 10-bit D-Log color profile which provides the viewers with a more natural perspective of the sky and gives them more options in post-production. Speaking of, you're also getting ProRes 422 HQ, Apple ProRes 422 and Apple ProRes 422 LT encoding that can hold up a maximum data rate of 3,722 megabytes per second. Oh, lest we forget, you really don't need to worry about space with all that high-quality footage, since out of the box, the Mavic 3 Cine comes with a 1TB SSD and a 10 GPS lightspeed data cable that is bound to multiply your level of productivity almost instantaneously. Alongside omnidirectional obstacle sensing, advanced RTH, APAS 5.0, and 46 minutes of flight time, make sure you get the perfect shot while keeping your precious drone safe at the same time. Small in size but mighty in performance, meet the DJI Mini 3 Pro. With a delicate combination of power and portability, this super lightweight drone weighs less than 249 grams and comes with upgraded safety features to ensure it's anything but fragile, and safety is the least of your worries. As a breath of fresh air for creators on the move, the Mini 3 Pro is incredibly easy to use and requires no registration to operate in most countries. The foldable design also makes it pocket-friendly, making this one of the most portable drones on the market. While by default, you'll get around 34 minutes of flight time, when combined with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, you'll get a total flight time of up to 47 minutes. The Mini 3 Pro comes with a 1 and 1.3-inch CMOS sensor with Duet native ISO and supports direct output of HDR footage, resulting in pictures that are high on the dynamic range and produce a lot more detail in highlights and shadows. For videos, you can easily shoot 4K HDR with super intense 1080p, 120 FPS slow-mo shots that defy expectations. As for safety, the drone is equipped with tri-directional obstacle sensors and APAS 4.0 to ensure that you and your drone stay safe and sound regardless of the condition, with a solid 47 minutes of flight time from a single charge. So that was our list of the DJI drones you should buy in the year 2023. Do let us know which one you're going for and why, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.